Hi family, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video and please come back and watch many more of my videos to come. Hi fam, today I'm going to be bringing you a simple floral arrangement that you can do and place it in your home on your dining room table. The first thing I'm going to do is take this beautiful diamond wrap that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off, and I'm going to just put it around my vase. Now, as you can see, there is adhesive on the back of the diamond wrap, so you do not need to use any type of glue. And this adhesive is very good. Now, as you can see, I put some of this diamond wrap on the edge of the top of my vase. Now I'm getting ready to put some at the bottom of my vase. Okay, I noticed that this diamond wrap would be too short to go around the bottom of my vase, so it was good that I bought a second one, so it is long enough to go around the bottom of my vase. I love this diamond wrap. It is beautiful in person. This camera doesn't do it any justice. It is just sparkling. It's beautiful in person. Okay, after I finish putting my diamond wrap onto my vase, the next thing I'm going to do is take these beautiful butterflies that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place it on the front and the back of the vase. Now these butterflies also have adhesive on the back of them, so you do not need any glue when applying it to your vase. This vase turned out beautiful. Now this is an option. You can put some mousse inside of your vase, or you don't have to put anything inside of it. Okay, after I finish putting my mousse inside of my vase, the next thing I'm going to do is glue my floral arrangement on top of my vase. This flower arrangement that I'm putting on top of this vase was made in a previous video. Please go and watch my videos that show how I make these floral arrangements. I just use a craft foam ball and I glue my flowers on top of it. Very simple. Moving on to my second project, I'm going to take the remainder of this diamond wrap and I'm going to glam out this tea light holder and candle holder. The first thing I'm going to do is take my diamond wrap and just wrap it around my tea light holder. Now I'm going to take my diamond wrap and put it around the top of my candle holder. Finally, I'm going to take my candle holder and glue it on top of my tea light holder. Now I'm going to use my glue gun right now so that it can stay together while I'm doing this project. But after I finish, I'm going to put some E6000 to hold it in place permanently. After I have finished with my candle holder, now I'm going to place it in the middle of my pink floral ring. Now I am finished. This project was so easy to create. I hope you like it. Please give it a like and don't forget to come back and watch more of my video. I appreciate you watching. Now to my family members, my loving supporters, thank you for watching this video to the end, and please watch at least one of my commercials. Again, thank you. I love you from where? The bottom of my heart. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on so you can know every time I upload a video. Again, thank you for taking time out of your busy day to watch this video.